time is very important for everyone. I like to spend my free time doing different activities. Every weekend, after I finish my homework, I think about what I want to do for fun and to relax. There are many things I can choose from. One of my favorite activities is playing sports. I usually play football with my friends in the park. Football is a great sport because it keeps me healthy and active. Sometimes my brother and I play tennis together. It is fun to run and try to hit the ball. I also like riding my bicycle in our neighborhood. In the winter, I play basketball in the sports hall at school. Basketball is exciting because we play in teams and try to score points. On some days, I swim in the community pool. Swimming makes me feel strong and fresh. My teachers always say that sports help us stay fit and make new friends. Another activity I enjoy in my free time is listening to music. Music makes me feel happy and relaxed. I like to listen to pop songs and sometimes I sing along with them. My sister can play the piano and sometimes she teaches me some easy songs. We have a small music group at home and we enjoy singing together. Sometimes I watch music videos on my phone or television. I also like to learn about different musical instruments. My friend plays the guitar and she lets me try it too. We have a lot of fun making music and trying new rhythms. Going to the cinema is another wonderful activity. Once a month, my family goes to watch a movie at the cinema. I enjoy adventure and comedy films because they are exciting and make me laugh. Before the film starts, we buy popcorn and drinks. The big screen and loud sound make the movie feel real. After the movie, my family and I discuss our favorite scenes and characters. I also like to watch animated films with my little brother. He always laughs at the funny parts. Going to the cinema is a special family time for us. Reading is one of my best hobbies. Every evening, I read a storybook before I sleep. My father bought me many books for young readers. I like stories about animals, adventures, and magic lands. Reading helps me learn new words and ideas. Sometimes I go to the library with my friends. We sit and read quietly. I borrow new books every week. My teacher always says that reading is very important for learning English and for life. My dream is to write my own short story one day. Watching television is another way to spend my free time. I watch cartoon shows in the morning. I also like watching documentaries about nature and animals. In the evening, my family watches the news together. This helps us learn about what is happening in the world. At weekends, there are special movies and shows on TV. My favorite show is about cooking. I learn how to make new dishes with my mother after watching the program. We enjoy cooking together in the kitchen. In my free time, I sometimes draw or paint pictures. Drawing is a relaxing activity and I can express my feelings through art. My mother always puts my best pictures on the wall in my room. Sometimes my friends and I organize small art competitions. To sum up, free time is a chance to enjoy life, learn new things, and spend time with family and friends. I believe doing sports, listening to music, watching movies, reading, and watching TV all make my life happier and more interesting. I try to use my free time in useful and fun ways. Each day, I look forward to my favorite activities and I am always excited to try something new. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.